Good morning. Happy Saturday. Welcome back to the O Show. Everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm WendyO. Before we get started, I want to first say Happy Veterans Day. And not only to say Happy Veterans Day, but give a special thanks to everybody who has served, currently serving, and those who are no longer with us that have served. Because Veterans Day is a very, very important day for me. And it's kind of sad to see what's happening in our country. I wish that a lot of these people that had very, very strong opinions about certain things would actually go and provide some service instead of causing a ruckus and whatnot. Again, it's important to have your voice heard, but at the same time, there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. But thank you guys. So I want to talk about the crazy crypto gains that we're seeing, and the market is completely up. Everybody's making money, and it makes me so happy. The fact that a lot of you guys I've heard what I said over the years and have advocated profit taking, have advocated risk management, whether you're dollar cost averaging, you're setting limit orders, you're taking some off the top, whatever that looks like. I'm so happy for most of you guys. Yes, I know my hair's a little bit crazy. It's Saturday morning, we're home. But I want to tell you guys I'm proud of you, because if you're still in the space and you've rocked with me through the entire bear market, you guys will continue to do immensely well. And shout out to Queen. She is rich over here with her crow. So let's talk about it a little bit, okay? So we know yesterday on the show, well, actually I posted about it on Twitter, but it looked like Luna Classic, and FTT were some of the highest gainers with daily volume yesterday, or daily gains yesterday. And I think FTX's native token was up like 120%, something ridiculous. And of course, Luna was up like 70%. So number one rule, scams pump the hardest. What does that mean? You're going to see a lot of things that go up in the market, and there's no reason why. A lot of meme coins, a lot of really sketchy projects. And that basically means when we say scams pump the hardest, that a lot of these sketchy projects end up pumping super, super hard, but they also crash the hardest, okay? So people that are speculating on FTT and the rebrand of FTX, congratulations if you make money, but those are not things you want to necessarily consider to hold long term. However you do, that's your business, okay? Now your business. Good morning, Raider. Yes, we haven't seen the Bobcat, but we're going to be setting up a camera for that. Also to you guys, I got my Instagram account back. So if you guys want to, I'm going to be over there posting content, but I'm trying to get verified so this doesn't happen again. It's a hot mess. And shout out to David Silver. If you guys need any type of legal help, David Silver's the person to go to. But let's talk about it. So we're going to see a lot of scams pump the hardest. So that basically means you're going to see a lot of projects pump, and you're going to start to feel that FOMO, and you're like, oh my God, did I miss out? Well, when that happens, first and foremost, I don't care what you guys invest in. Whatever you guys decide to invest in, that's your money, that's your time. The only thing that I ask of you is to consider taking some off the table, and don't hold that thing till zero, okay? Always remove a little bit of risk. And I know I am cold. I am a bit of a cold mess. I got a stuffy nose. And with that being said, is when you're taking profit, you need to, you want to, essentially when you're trading and investing in something, you want to get your initial investment back. You want to take some profit, and you want to take a little bit off for taxes. I don't like taxes. I think taxes are a scam. I don't want to pay them. And also smash the like. We've got like 200 people in here, but only 30 likes. We need at least 200 likes. But with that being said, is you want to, plan for that type of stuff, because taxes are real. And in America, if you don't pay your taxes, they will come for you. So always make sure you pay crypto taxes. I don't like crypto taxes. Another thing too, when you're getting in on a risky project, or when you're looking to figure out what it is you want to invest in, understand the risk, okay? If you're not able to classify the risk, you probably have no business aping into that project. Like if you're looking for like a blue chip, there's a little bit less risk there. There's also going to be less price action there, and that's okay because it's a little bit safer. There's less risk. But if you're going to be aping into something that's super crazy like FTT or some crazy meme token, understand that thing's going to shoot up as fast as it goes down. So indicate that there. And you're going to need to get in and get out really fast. Right now, generally the safest stuff is probably going to be like some of the blue chips like Solana and Chainlink and Ethereum, Bitcoin, those types of stuff, okay? And will price sustain forever? No. And again, I don't think we're in like a full-blown bull run. I think that we're in the very, very beginnings of a bull run, which is great. I think we will see pullbacks, and we will see when resistance, exactly. Eventually we will get a pullback. It does happen. It might not happen today. It might not happen tomorrow, but those are real things, and those do happen. Thank you, Eric. I appreciate you for the 99-cent super chat. But with that being said, have fun, play the game, but consider taking profit. And also too, this is why we keep moon bags, and I'm so glad we kept the moon bag of Gala and the moon bag of Solana and Matic and some of the other stuff that we talked about on the show, and even Chainlink too, because what I did was with some of these things is I didn't invest more capital in, but I was able to keep moon bags, meaning that I still had some skin in the game. So as I'm watching these things continue to ride up, I can take profit whenever I want. I can start cashing out whenever I want. I can start flipping these. I can, sell in profit and then enter and get back in if I want to and do the moonbag process again. And this is why we advocate profit taking. So again, you're gonna see a lot of low cap stuff absolutely shoot up and be super crazy. But if you're gonna invest in that or trade in that or participate, understand these things will generally shoot up super fast and then go down super fast. And the problem is the timing. And people are always like, Wendy, what about the timing? I don't know about the timing. I don't know. That's why I tell you guys you have to have your own trading and investing journal, okay? Thank you, Eric. I appreciate that. The reason why you have that is that's going to give you a good indication of when you should consider selling or taking profit or whatever that is. And even, and I believe in you guys. I think that you guys are going to do super well with that. So you're going to see, and also too, one thing that a lot of people don't talk about, what we talk about on this channel, is you're going to see a lot of projects pump like crazy during bull runs and promise all of these things, and they're going to end up lying. Okay, and they're going to be using people as exit liquidity. So that's another thing you need to consider. If you like something long term, if you're going to invest in something long term, especially in the bull market, make sure that you are investing in something long term that is going to sustain long term. And this is also why we do the moonbag strategy, because we can't predict the future. So with that being said, congratulations to everybody on their soul gains, on the Bitcoin gains, Ethereum gains, whatever that is. I support your guys' right to invest in whatever it is you want to do. The only thing I ask is to consider profit taking, remove some risk off the table to pay yourself and do well. But anyways, I'm going to go. Chicken tenders are done, and we're going to have a good rest of the day. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.